Hi friends, how are you all doing? Today we're gonna learn some guitar practice, simple finger training, which is gonna help you learn guitar more swiftly. So I hope you guys can learn it. So without further ado, let's go down with it. So first, the practice that we're gonna do today is like we're gonna move our finger from one fret to another like that. just just be careful not to put your finger on the fret. Yeah, put it in the middle of the fret. Yeah, right, like this. So we'll keep on doing it with all the strings. Afterwards, the 5/5 string, then the 4th string, then the 3rd string, then the 2nd string, then the 1st string. By doing this exercise, you're making your fingers, move individually, so that all your fingers can move freely. So your fingers will get free, so you can play very easily. So this is how you should do it. If you keep on moving like your 3 fingers, like your first finger, then your, yeah, and if you don't use your pinky, then it will gonna at the end of the session you're gonna see like you're having problems. So try to use your pinky as well, like this. Yes, I'm playing very swiftly because I know how to play. So probably you guys will first gonna have some problems, but as you will keep on doing it slowly, eventually you're gonna learn to do it smoothly. So firstly, try to do it slowly. Don't try to do it too fast, and don't try to and keep your eyes that your fingers don't go on the fret. It will have to go in the middle of the fret. Yeah, right. In this place there, right? Like this. So while we're gonna do this practice, this fingering, we have to keep on mind. You have to keep that on mind that when you're gonna do first, like when you're gonna start doing from the 6th string, you're gonna keep on stroking downwards. Okay, like this. Yeah, like this. You're gonna pick downwards, not upwards, downwards, like this. So it's gonna be like this. So we learned the basics of a guitar, you know. So let me share something with you guys. Firstly, we're gonna learn basics about guitar progression, guitar chordings, the basic things of a lead guitar or rhythm, you may say. So firstly, we learned all the things I told you. Right now, I'm just as a gift, I'm gonna share a jam with you guys. Afterwards, we're gonna start with our basics trainings. So now I'm gonna just share a jam. Okay, how was it? I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a very close song, a close song that I really keep it to my close to my heart. So I hope you guys like it. And what was the song? I was going to tell you later about it. You can search in the description. I'll give you guys the details in the description.